Have you ever thought about the cucumber as more than just a salad staple? Well, it's time to shine a spotlight on this crunchy green hero and discover some surprising health benefits it packs. First off, let's talk hydration. Cucumbers are made up of about 95% water. That's right, munching on cucumbers can help keep your body hydrated, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin, aiding digestion, and even regulating body temperature. But there's more. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in important nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. Adding cucumbers to your diet can contribute to your overall nutrient intake without adding extra pounds. This makes them a perfect snack for anyone trying to maintain or lose weight. Now let's dive into the antioxidant properties of cucumbers. They contain flavonoids and tannins, two types of compounds that are highly effective at fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption can help lower the risk of chronic diseases and keep your body running smoothly. And for those of you who are fitness enthusiasts, cucumbers might just become your new best friend. Due to their anti-inflammatory effects, cucumbers can help reduce the soreness and discomfort that often follows a vigorous workout. Plus, the silicon and sulfur in cucumbers can promote joint health, keeping those knees and elbows flexible. Lastly, did you know that cucumbers can also help in stress management? They contain multiple B vitamins, including vitamin B1, vitamin B5, and vitamin B7. These vitamins are known to help ease feelings of anxiety and buffer some of the effects of stress. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, consider reaching for a cucumber instead of that cup of coffee. So, there you have it. Cucumbers are not only refreshing and delicious, but also loaded with numerous health benefits. From hydration to heart health and stress reduction, this green veggie deserves a regular spot in your diet. Keep exploring the wonder of natural foods. And remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier you. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and secrets.